guys, and welcome back to the Urban Athlete Show. Today is day 2 of my Caribbean vacation, and I came to a second beach today. This beach is called Megan's Bay. You might have heard of it. If you've been on any kind of cruise, they usually come down to Megan's Bay. Really beautiful white sand beach. Flew the drone, took some GoPro footage. I did say that I was gonna be shooting most of my B-roll with my GoPro, so I took advantage of that and shot most of the B-roll with the GoPro. I'm leaving the 70D strictly for on-camera sound, and the GoPro is just gonna be for B-roll. So day 2 of the test of the GoPro on the trip. So far so good, and I'm telling you guys, this 80-degree weather is amazing. More days of the trip and a few more vlogs to process, so stay tuned for that. And if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for another episode of the Urban Athlete Show. Just stopped at another scenic lookout. This place is amazing. The views are amazing here. This place is called Megan's Point. So we're gonna get some shots with the drone of Megan's Point. Wow, check out this view. This view is amazing. Drake's Lookout. Drake's Lookout? And up there is Drake's Seat. The seat. That's where Drake used to spy for the British, you know, because he was a Dutch colony. And Drake was a spy for the British, so he would sit there, see the Dutch ship comes in, and signal, report to the British. So this is Drake's Seat, and apparently Drake was some kind of spy for the British. What's the name of this place?
Cabrita Point.
Cabrita Point?
Cabriga.
Cabriga.
Or some shit like that.
So here we gonna do it. Take away everything
Introduce to you our spectacular, breathtaking contestants. So are you guys ready for the swimsuit competition?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Suits are similar.